Credit scores are used in 80% of life decisions. The lower the scores, the higher the rates. As many consumers know, higher scores represent better credit decisions and can make creditors more confident that you will repay your future debts as agreed. The higher your score, the better terms you can get on loans and credit cards, including the interest rate, which can save you a lot of money in interest over the life of the loan. For example, on a $160,000 mortgage, paying 4% over 30 years incurs $115,280 in interest, just half percentage point higher, 4.5%, will yield $132,128 in interest over the same time, which is $16,848 more